guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Eluna with you today, and I'm gonna be doing a review of Essence Mascara, which is really the best seller now in the market. As a sales representative, guys, I can really prove it to you that I had a lot of clients who is really crazy about Essence Mascara. So here I have 9 mascara with me. I'm gonna show you one by one what's really on this mascara, why the woman here in this country is really dying and crazy to buy this mascara. Especially guys, this mascara, I love Extreme Me. They are totally crazy about this. So don't forget to click likes, hit notification guys, and stay tuned because I'm gonna show you one by one of this mascara. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification. So now guys, I'm gonna show you from the less best seller and the best seller. So here guys, I have 2 kinds of mascara here. This is Volume Stylist 18-hour hold mascara, 2 kinds. So I'm gonna show you the other one first, which is this one. They have, by the way, they have the different brush, I guess. So the other brush is this one, but I'm gonna go. So guys, from the Volume Stylist mascara, which is this one, it is 18-hour hold mascara. If you want to go for a party, for example, you want to stay longer and doesn't smudge but gives you extension, volumize, lash extension mascara with lengthening fibers. This is good for you guys. This one, okay, here, this is the pink one. Okay, with lengthening fibers, volumize and lengthening. From the other mascara, which is Volume Stylist, this one, they are the same but different brush. This is 18-hour hold also. This is curl, but the difference of this is curl. Okay, curl and hold mascara with micro fibers and styling wax. So if you like a mascara that is volume and at the same time it gives a lengthening and curly, okay, if you want to curl, volumize and lengthening, this one I can recommend for you for the woman who wants to have a longer result. This is the best for you guys with micro styling fibers. This is perfect for us who wants to have a longer use. So the brush for this guys is a little bit curved. See that? A little bit curved to make your lashes curly. It's good if you have longer eyelashes. You can make it curved. So the next mascara guys that I'm gonna show you now is the False Lashes Mascara Extreme Volume and Curl, which is really good mascara. If you want to fake your lashes, you wanted to have a false lashes result, this is really good for you. I have a story about this guys. Once I had a client, I told her, mom, you want to fake your lashes, you want to have a volume, curly and lengthening, please try this one. And believe me guys, after a few days she came to me and took this mascara like 5 pieces for her sisters, for her mother, something like that. So guys, false lashes mascara to a volume effect and curl effect and lengthening, volume and lengthening, this is really good for you. The False Lashes Mascara Extreme Volume Curl. So I'll show you what is the brush. It's a little bit curved like this. Try it guys and you will be surprised for this. And it's another volume curl Get Big Lashes Mascara, which is this one. This one guys, I noticed that this is not really moving so well like the other mascara that I showed you earlier. But once you try this one, you will be surprised, because when I got a client also, I let her try this one. But it depends of you guys what kind of brushes that you like, right? Some people, they don't like that brush, they don't like a thin brush, they don't like the big brush. Yeah, it depends of you. But for this mascara, in this case, if you like this big brush, some people like a big brush, and I guess, yeah, it's a little bit curved, just little only. See, if you like a big brush guys, this Get Big Lashes will make you curly and volumized. I think I can recommend to you this mascara if you like a big brush but volumized at the same time. I guess this is good for for those who have long lashes, because it will make it more volume. Now guys, I'm gonna show you once again of our top bestseller mascara, which is really doing very well in the market. This is this one guys. See that? Guess what is this? This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, which is really perfect for all the woman who is longing for a volumized lengthening. This one guys, really I have too much client for this mascara. People here is really crazy about this one. Even me myself guys, I'm an Asian, but when I try this mascara, which is exactly this one, I could say that it's perfect for me. Really perfect for me. So this is Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, which is really great and amazing. See so this is the brush guys for Lash Princess Effect, which is really wow. Try it guys and you will be surprised. And the next one guys is the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara, which is also great. The different from this one and this one is of course the brush, but this is more sculpted. This more sculpted and more volume result. I cannot see that much. Okay, this is more volume results. So actually guys, they have 4 kinds of mascaras there. There is waterproof and there is another one, but I have only this one at the moment. So this one is a little bit curved to make your lashes curly. So if you have, so guys, if you have already a long lashes and you make it a little bit curved, something like that, but volumize and lengthening, this is good for you. Okay, sculpted. So here guys, I am gonna show you what is really the best mascara of Essence. Well guys, it's already in my hand. Oh, sorry. It's already in my hand. What is number one mascara that is really doing really good in this country? Not only in this country but all over the world. This mascara here, we are really totally crazy about this. We are always out of stocks guys for this mascara. Like our clients, like, oh my god, they are angry already to me, or they are mad about me if they couldn't have this mascara, especially this one. Well, the name only is like I Love Extreme Crazy Volume, which is really true that they are crazy about this. So first guys, I will show you the crazy mascara, which is the waterproof. This is waterproof, and if you love like waterproof mascara, of course, as I told you, this is perfect for you. You know already what's the use of waterproof mascara. So the difference is of this waterproof mascara is this one is a bigger brush. So if you like a bigger brush, this is for you. And if you like waterproof and you wanna be crazy about the result, this is for you. Okay guys, Essence I Love Extreme. Guys, back to I Love Extreme mascara, which is this one. Ta-da-dang, ta-da-dang. Actually guys, from these two, they are almost the same brush. They have the bigger brush, the big brush like this, as I said. See that? This is also volumizing, and you want to get crazy of your lashes. This is also for you. Two, the same brushes, the same result, but the difference is just waterproof, and this is the normal one. Okay guys, be crazy about this mascara and try it. You will see, and you will really love this. So guys, here I am once again. I have nothing to say about this, because I know already that from the name itself, I Love Crazy Extreme Mascara. As I told you guys from the beginning of this video, that really girls here is crazy, from the small age to the highest age, from the teenagers to the old age, they are crazy about this. So if you want to be crazy guys, you want to get crazy about your lashes, really try this one, and you will really enjoy. This mascara guys is, I can feel that they cannot move on. I think I'm so much exaggerated, but it's really true guys. This is from my experience that really my clients from Essence, they are really crazy about this. I have nothing to say, but they are really crazy about this mascara. I tried myself for this one. I had a good result, and I could say that wow, this is really why people here is crazy about this. So if you wanna try and you wanna be crazy like me, Not crazy as in crazy, but crazy about the lashes, okay? So this is it, guys. This is it. This is the brush. It has a thin brush, a tiny brush, like that. This is it. And I'm sure you're gonna crazy if you use about this one. I will repeat, guys, not only because this mascara is cheap or very affordable, that's why it's really doing very good in the market. No, guys, this mascara is really affordable because it's really amazing. It has a really good quality, and this is vegan, and this is really safe for our eyes. And of course, this mascara is Essence, guys. Essence is a kind of brand that you can trust. You can trust for your daily use and perfect for our eyes because there is no harmful ingredients. So guys, I recommend this for you. It's affordable price, and it is a high quality brand. Essence mascara. So thank you guys for being here with me today, and I really appreciate for listening and watching this video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon for my next vlog. And this is Eluna, La in Luna's Love. If you love fitness, beauty, any kind of beauty products that I'm gonna post, please don't forget to subscribe and click notification, likes, give me a comments, any comments, guys. I don't mind whether you will have negative feedback, negative comments. I would really appreciate, because that's it. This is the comments, guys. So thank you so much.